Yo, the four yama kaba ediba Fie TV. Aha, Fie TV. Yede ya can say addition kwa na and also enkwa ena yebeye ede amao. Nyame inshraw. Na yeti over the week you know okuja to abrakwa so a chon letter de akwa koma parliament. Me pese me chebebre yebre ni so anti ye boni tawtaw ni akọ. Na de okuja to abrakwa no ono bibi hanana. Okuja to if you are watching me is everything all right upstairs? How who moral right be na wo ya nyo bia me na nkasa asem we say o mampanyi di 2.8 million cedis etukwan enti abo man ne ka se wo emumpa ya nya betwa me se ya nya betwa ye behia kokon no de atopa pa efri abeso hia yen now Yenche dipa na ono kasa no saa okuja to abrakwa na no kati se konfo na akomatiko no mum yenhwe no wo okuja to abrakwa ye bebo wa power de akira maybe you have forgotten and you think we have short memory. No, I'm very sorry. Sa dirty politics na mo ye dey score cheap political point, we will not allow that, and we will try in as much as possible bia ye betimi bia to educate the grassroots. And Timothy Amuba Mumbeton Straha, any propaganda, Namunfanto. I am yes, the president traveled and the cost was 2.8 million Ghana cedis. Yes, it's a fact. Nemum say, Obi to me to coin, no the 2.8 million Ghana cedis. Equa, no quaquaji, 170 million US dollars bar, Nipanwa Boka na or Moka. And then the old himself went to a cow, meba, Jinaho. Now, no me mean soon song, Kakrana Wahe, Nejaji. In 2020, Yabeko election, you this same person. Now, not tongue for no moon who Frida. Not tongue for no moon who Frida, and no free Pierre Cromo, Muso, your Mubruni. Now, yet the Yendi Crona, near the Miayam. Yendi Crona. What I say? Oh, free or somebody, you mubida. Me say in 2020 you are the very same person who can draw at the toe Kenofurata so. Once a yes area pointing no. Once you yourself who shares a wo bet na ho na nsema wa can draw one kasa wuntimi misa ho asema resign enim guasi ni akwaba. Wo yasuma say o mine se kosom mine na o se mensom. Meanwhile oje hu sika. One a japadil, ubetina sina one katikata de oma bon munsuade. Oma bon o munsuade. Na yeba. Okuja ta braka. Mo brao. Yeye ni mo. Before obey minister na unua ye pamuni school fees. Wa mukra na o school no edasen. You were minister and sana wo complete ye appointed with minister as I will complete with school. And na mo brada na brakra wo mo bi da Ghana na your politics no ya ni chew Ghana politics ya ni chew na sunsuan ama ne wanya bi apempam hye tu so shatade Ghana politics ya ni chew yen ye to about voters no ya adwen hye da nye se me ye hani nti hani ene adwe kura no ba be gina ma na meto ama no Okuja to abrakwa me pesa me bisa o say sa 25 million 25,000 Ghana cedis a udi ko di mutuo Sunday na eda o ka mu no abra wo mo bra bia o wo mo bra bia ya appoint you deputy minister unya 25,000 ko di mutuo eda o ka mu. I know they are financial loss to the state. Meboa. And no for so be a free so at the brain. Who crapo, even you, who crapo said you were grateful being like you. Okuja to Abrapa. I am preaching against politics of insult. Yes, I can no be John Hojena. But if you want to make your case, and your insult no, and a bema case I had. Maybe an answer my work and I ask here, and so the insult to Bema, now was say. Entu nya ogare na gare ne ye but ye sana tieguma na say nti I wouldn't insult. I'm doing my criticism politely. Okujato me pesa me bisa o say since when I who say o mampanyi bi tu kwan e de sika tu kwan a financial loss to the state. Since when? Uye nyachom, uye hypocrite. You don't deserve to be a minister of state nor a parliament. No, because you are there for your stomach interest. Namasan shall see any propaganda 2008 mo shall see na yeah oh mo boa Ghana for be ya mo de be fa Asuria. No, not this time. Yansu ye ni namase ho mo di duaba ne hye ho ne akoyi afrim. Propaganda duaba no unya deceive from ye be yi. We will uproot all of them and make sure say omun germinate. And na me dey ma no me say sa $25,000 2011 uko police station kwa kasi ye wi afi uka mu na Sunday uko horo car and ye wi afri mu no. Can you account for that money? Because ye nimu no na wo bra bia anya adwuma wo Ghana ba biada won ton and so timi nya 25,000 Ghana cedis. Untimi kan kire me say free MPC kam because mo ana mo beteno say MP musika na eswa ensomo na sika ensomo na utimi nya bi to unya 250 million say wo dey ato kan mu kodi mu tuo ha okuja to wo dey wa kotiti. Why the same person in 2011 woni Waterville wo MP mu a utimi ni company ko kan bombe dupi o man. This is free aya krono na nka man bi so aka so odam na make us not tom for no da bro mu hu free da mutimi dupi o man. And the Supreme Court of the land say aya krono bring the money back na ye man papa man bia normal ekoyia na kokuje to abrakwa ogasa abre would the prison. And then when you know kasa, and I blame the MPP because my you too gentle. Ama one man kasa brace or my tori mumu fiase at one I have been more momentum kasa anyhow. Almost you can't face the country. No more be or man on their tomb. I can be. Uba no be via minisika. You connive with the Waterville. Now mube via minisika. It took the timely intervention of our Supreme Court of the land. The apex court of the land, and ultimate court Jisicano, as a $25 million. One who say a financial loss to the state, a ball mine car, ultimate due company be himself, a jiffy Ghana ho. Now, Obi or Mampenny, and some for him at the 2.8 million Ghana cedis, aqua yes, $170 million daha. Omanpanyi estimated 2.8 million Ghana cedis akwa kofesi kanaba. Wosi wabo oman no ka. Enti kwantina fie. Ana nanka pese Nana Akufo-Addo do ya ponkotena wo so kwa. Just be bold. Be bold neka. Akwa kofesi ka twitwiri di say empanyifo asese bi ya ton tumi na utumi ton wo ma me kwaji. Ekwaji tumi no na usaka tumi na wudu tumi aje wo maame na sika da baby na fa obi di Ghana cedis akọ $5 aba enim guase account because munim de mu ye yenti wo beto na te agu obi gari mu wo boa gari ya kata so ya sili so egu so egu kokobaba no so me catch now. Me say I want us to expose you. Okuja to abrakwa. Then if you like, take us on because we have document to that effect. We have document to that effect. Mo betrasi na mo biema no na mo kasa mo hwemwachi. You guy mo na mo and this no mo na mo short memory no I think. Now, I'll give you that of me mo akwenya na ma remind you. Wo me say before you were minister. Now when you're Juma da, you were even in school. What guys you name one? Who be a minister just 1 year? Wumpo, more brebiano. You were able to charter 2 jets. Oh, kware oba. Uko ware oba no mfaso be na Ghana benya wo so na wo akura mfaso be na Ghana nya wo so uko ware no 2 jets. It was not a financial loss to the state. Where did you get the money from? Just 1 year. Uko ware Ghana to Ghana. Ukita hey emo politics are fool. Ghana to Ghana uko ware no. Ghana to Ghana with the plane jet mienu. Na Ghana to Canada, Ghana to another country. Now the fair gentleman of the land, Atna Prema, O Kasahun, thank one far from. Hey, now Mumbai Mahama no want to pray helicopter na junko voter, enko land, enko bie ho airport ano. Huh? Na mukukwa campaign na money na mwiemu no. Ghana to Ghana po. Ye kasa sa road ni nya ndi asa na moka kire. Now, yanhwe sa wo tama wo ma ban ti so no. Yanhwe akwantu a mututu ya NDC mututu ya mukofa sika bai ni yanhwe akwantu a na ado atu a mo bese ma no keka ma no bobo so se nkokọ a ya to mo agu omumu kasa no. Now, Lordina Mahama hwe former first lady Mahama hero what one more to make us a mirror. Mahama, many nyempesa mko America kwa football. Was sir, enope. Ene Ghana fuzika wo. Na Mahama atwepe ni paper. No assign where me yire pese kwa football wa America. $100,000. Fako cedis say emuru 2.8 million Ghana cedis are. $100,000. 2018 October. Wankasa, do your research. The facts are there everywhere. Na Lordina Mahama akwaji sika no adanya okohwe ball ewa America. Kohwe football match. But okohwe ball ni wie no de no de bre Ghana. Okuja talk brapa na enu de ye okay man one toilet and fan ko parliament. Anasa ndisi na wasunti yes ye no. Mude munim sika di. Me say Mahama wotu kwan bia per diem ala wanko a waje bia $111,000. $110,000 no aje. Mahama akwantu obi obetu bia o. The only person in the history of Ghana since this fourth republic wono obeya aban djuma wose aban bangalo mintinem aban ka mimfa. The only thing aban ye man was some man wa aban soma ho de a mo beto ne Petro Amano is His Excellency the President of the Republic now. Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo. Mahama ye president opposika ye tua no ne benefit na no oje pediem. It is only MPP's government and a minister bitim kase ma ye adwuma free and the NDC minister ye adwuma ba kwa no aja akatua mienu Haruna Idrisu ne dikan Gbagmin wotoso wo ya adwuma ba ko no oje double salary. Okuja to abrakwa eno de na nya financial loss through home letters sa no mo amebo so na through home letters for parliament. Through home letters for parliament. Me say in 2016 ya to abano $77,000 Mahama per diem no otu kwan a waje. Enti okon wo ba 77 no 5 times 2 say be ma say 7 plus 7 14. Fatu 70 plus 70 140. Enti koyi 10 free 14 beka we hu na 150. Aka sen for $154,000 per diem na kanto no otu no plane ticket bibia anka hu. Wo tu kwan keke no de oje yesa ma tu kwan in the name of Ghana. And so me koye miami business no eno no oje otu kwan a John Mahama oye president no sana no oje. You deemed it right one kasa okoso financial loss to the state and then yansania to kwan akofa sika ba me bisa sa Lordina kwan no de dia na ba ye okwa football no dia mfaso no de free America ho ba ye. Mahama kwan otutu ye nyina no osese akuadonkom kono emfaso ben na Mahama de bre Ghana Akufo-Addo tu kwan oba $170 million US dollars. Na yemfa nyansa emobra sesiye. Say $170 million da. Wo de adakumase. Na yase for 50 million Ghana cedis. Eba abefa. Na so the 50 million Ghana cedis kofa de ba. Mpacho waboka. Okuyato, did you think about this? Did you think about this? Wa won kanu kre. Won kanu kre. Won kanu kre. Okuyato abraka. You don't deserve say kasakura ibetio because and troni hroda sem ayo wanimu ma. Me say e Japadel wo di wanu be si ho because NDC fo hu say sa Japadel no e ba e be ma Ghana fo e ho atom no omo so de omo se omo be make Ghana ungovernable Ghana fo ho beto omo de we ase akutia omo kasa ho enti finance minister e betena mo anim a mo nyina mo te wo no the only minister onya unanimous omo nyina se ohu son yeni asem bi atia wo was Ken Ofori-Atta, the originator of a Japadel. Now, ebia na Japadel no obi tinchen won ti ase. A Japadel ni nyina ni say, nka ye be ye gold nti se koko. On se koko aban pe na toton. Aban pe na was so right say otimi ton koko. Ghana ni bia ontu nya koko a okoton ma aban. Na aban akoton. Sa na ke ba be ye gold no, say be buru so yebe ye gold say aban pe na beto aton enti obi ntimi kofa company bi ma say company we betu gold no ade akwa akoton enka mutu gold ni nyina wi aban beje aton enti nka no be discourage ahoho na nka ma kroma no a omu wo sika na so mbetimi atu gold no legally no atu aton e de ama aban na aban asom atimi akoton ni ye anya good value. A Japadel ni nyina no na sa de we kwaso a ya estimate say every 10 years no is going to give us 10 billion US dollars and this if what can ade ya almost say yen sa de papa be brega na de be boagu ye be kasa tia a Japadel ni nyina no enti no mako ka we na firi ha na ho ni nyina ye ntro because papa ne betena ho no do mo ka abontin say e na say ni na o mutimi bisa no e na okuja to abra ko no ahwe se waka bi na afi de papa na ba o wa kwanya so obeyi no ho anu no se me enu guase we de enihu okuja to so u be kasa pacho dwen hu why dwen hu mienu na mpanyifo se wiase asawa ta oto a uhuri ntraja srama uhuri ntrasa ye mu bi wo ho no be kasa ekura na wo hye abufo where's we know you ana me tro so my papa bi mu a enka wo sabre ya so hwe afa wachi emia ne dendende kanya ni se otiri ho hyanshanshyam wo betena ho kasa no enti letter na wo tro ye no yansu ya betro ye de akoma speaker of parliament sa wo so san tro any sika $25,000 wo ba office within some few months now wutimi nya ye no yen probu na so betumi a mahama tu kwan so many times one fa hwe amre Ghana ni per diem kwa $77,000 in or buy out per diem enti o times here $154,000 US what end or the share butum plain I didn't call yen ka ho wo okuja to kura wo kura pa wa mobra wonnimu bra ye ni ho bra bia atro wo Ghana no de betima kan sa wo the corrupt way and I make you way because wunya adwuma da na MP ya wudi no ntimi ma mbe ye so much sikani sa na mo bie filling stations na mo de ahyehyɛ mo ma ne mo yiri no mu dinti mo ka sa mo hide bring it on me say not time for no mo hu ofrida and o mo so mo bro ni no what and the ube kasa and the president spent 2.8 million Ghana cedis which share now wo krapo wo mo brother krapo wo kwa ware oba wo di private jet mienu e record na nanado no okona nka 20 kura tu di na chi a please we don't want to enti misrawo letter no dwen hu biem na obetimi atwe san ne be pachew medama se aha ye fie ni fie TV ye de besia oba na wani je ho a waso ma onua ne mfa nsempa ne nko you break them down me say 4 after 8 possible enti no wo ye wo da dream 4 after 8 to do more.